Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Dito ulit tayo sa ating podcast, Life with Dante M. For several days, yung topic natin dito sa Life with Dante M, mga buhay-buhay ng mga kurakot. Lalo na yung mga involved dito sa flood control projects, mga ghost projects mga kababayan, para gumaan naman yung ating pakiramdam. Ibay naman natin yung topic, yung ikatutuwa naman at nagbibigay ng honor sa ating bansa. Alam na ninyo yung aking tinutukoy. Panalo tayo. Proud tayo bilang Pilipino. Kasi nanalo mga kababayan ang Filipina tennis player na si Alex Iyala. Alam kong alam na ninyo kasi viral po yung mga videos niya sa US Open. At kinongratulate na rin po ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ayan PBBM congratulates Alex Iyala on his historic US Open victory. Sabi ng ating Pangulo, she's only getting started. Wala pa tayo sa exciting part, mga kababayan, sa kanyang tennis career. Kaya yung pagkatalo niya nung nakaraan po, wala na yon. Natakpan na nito, mga kababayan, ang kanyang panalo. O diba? Ganun ang buhay, mga kababayan. Lalo sa kahit anong laban sa buhay. Be it on sports, in politics, in school, may panalo, may talo. Ganyan ang buhay. Importante, pag nadapa, bangon agad. Ito ang itinuturo nitong pagkapanalo, mga kababayan, sa US Open ng ating tennis player na si Alex Iyala. Historic first round victory po ito sa 2025 US Open, kung saan naging siyang first Filipina to win a Grand Slam main draw match in the Open era. Napakabata pa pala ito, si Alex Iyala. The 19-year-old tennis star stand 14th seed Clara Tauson in a dramatic 3-set battle. 6-3 to 6, 7-6, etching her name in the history books in bringing pride to the nation. Sa kanyang mensahe, pinuri ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang perseverance in talent, calling her triumph a source of inspiration for young athletes. He added that she's only getting started, expressing confidence that this milestone marks the beginning of greater achievements ahead ng napakabata pang tennis player. Yan po, mga kababayan.
Making for the Philippines here in New York.
O, di ba, mga kababayan?
Does what no woman's open here in modern tennis.
Yan, sa kalaban niya.
Her foot a major.
Talagang tuwan-tuwa siya, oh. Grabe. Nakakaiyak, mga kababayan. Di ba? Courtesy ng Sports Center.
And one in the final set.
Nakaka-proud, mga kababayan, yung kanyang panalo. Ito yung kalaban niya, si Clara Tauson ng Denmark. Siya yung tinalo ni Alex Iyala. Sabi niya sa interview, I think me, as a person, I'm very ambitious. And although there was no one from my country who did this before, was successful in tennis, I took inspiration from anyone I could. From my family, from my brother, sabi po ni Iyala. So itong kanyang pagkapanalo made Iyala the first Filipino to win a Grand Slam main draw match in the Open era, a period starting in 1968 when professional players were finally allowed to compete with amateurs in major tournaments. Tuwang-tuwa din siya sa mga fans niya na siyempre mga Filipino fans. Hindi lang mga Filipino fans ang humahanga sa kanya, pero special mention siya, mga kababayan. They made me feel like I'm home, sabi po niya. I would say that anything is possible and to dream big, sabi niya sa kanyang sa interview sa kanya kanina. Panoorin natin yung kanyang statement.
Me as a person, I'm very ambitious, and although there was no one from my country who did this before, was successful in tennis, I took inspiration from anyone I could, from my family, from my brother. So I think just to be ambitious and to dream big and know that you can do it. Yeah.
Ito pa.
Electric, and you guys made it so special, especially coming back after being in a difficult situation in the third. So you made my first main draw win in the Grand Slam so special, and I hope to see you in my second round.
Ito yung post mismo ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Kasabay ng pag-paabot niya ng congratulations.
It's so special, you know, they make me more and more special, you know, to be Filipino is something I take so much pride in. And you know, I don't have a home tournament, so to be able to have this community here at the US Open, like, I'm so grateful that they made me feel like I'm home. It's so special, you know.
Kaya proud na proud po lahat nagko-congratulate yung mga netizens kay Iyala. Congratulations Alex, proud moment for the Philippines. Sabi ni Feli. Sabi ni Jos Feliciano, nerve-wracking. The Philippines is awake until 4 a.m. cheering, crying, laughing, and just so proud of Alex Iyala. With her is the third player in the court. The Filipino crowd loud, love and proud. You are home indeed in USA. Sabi ni Roberto Machinso, this what should everyone imitates, perseverance and resiliency in the midst of uncertainty. Another one for the book. Huge congratulations, Alex. Sabi ni Snack Attack, mabuhay ang galing ng Pinoy. Salamat Pangulo sa laging pagbibigay-pugay. Sabi ni Hami Dampi, solid ang laban, grabe ka. Sabi ni Manang Jack, we are so proud of you, Alex. Sabi ni Madam Hanibet Samudjo, yung teacher namin dito, just go Alex, we know you can do it. Good luck and God bless. Sabi ni Justin Torrento, throws herself on the ground for a first round match. Sabi ni Tony Cruz, it was really electrifying. I almost pee on my couch. Best of luck on your second round, Alex Yala. Vamos and mabuhay. Sabi ni Dindo Castillo, it's another cardiac game. Pinggoy Pingson. Sabi ni Angel Games, it was a madhouse. The greatest comeback I've ever seen in tennis. Not just Filipinos but people from all walks of life with various nationalities were all rooting for you. The world had your back. It was amazing to see you in live action. Sabi ni Diosdado, congrats Alexa, you make us all proud. Pinoy, a hero in this time when our country is full of corrupt politician. A blessing and good luck. Kaya nga po, sinare ko itong magandang balita para ma-inspire naman kayo. Kasi ang laman ng mga balita ngayon, lahat yung flood control, corruption. Hindi ka ma-inspire mga kababayan. Very discouraging ang mga pangyayari dito sa ating bansa. Lumulubog sa baha sa kunting pag-ulan tulad dito sa amin po. Ang latest pala, doon sa flooding sa Masarawag, for evacuation na yung mga tao. May isa pang magandang balita, mga kababayan. Ito naman yung champion mula dito sa amin. Yung best friend ng aking best friend ng aking anak, si Jilon Maravillas. Ito po, Filipina Grandmaster Janelle May Fraina Bags, Gold and Abu Dhabi Chess Steel. Tagaligas ito, mga kababayan. Kaibigan namin. Yan report ng Daily Guardian. Woman Grandmaster Janelle May Fraina has clinched the gold medal at the 31st Abu Dhabi International Chess Festival. Ladies Blitz becoming the first Filipina to win the event. Fraina emerged unbeaten in the tournament, finishing with 8 points from 7 victories and 2 draws against 120 participants from 24 countries. O diba? She secured the title after a final round draw with Uzbek International Master Golrok Begin Tokhironova. Ang hirap basahin ang pangalan nito. The National Chess Federation of the Philippines congratulated Fraina, commending her grit
and brilliance in the competition. In a social media post on August 17, Fraina said, "This is my first time playing in the Abu Dhabi Chess Festival. Thank you to our Pinoy friends who made us feel at home. It's one tough tournament, but I will surely give my best." Fraina, 29 years old, is an enlisted personnel of the Philippine Army from Bicol. Taga rito sa amin to, sa Legazpi. She became the country's first woman grandmaster in 2017 after being awarded the title by the Federation International des ESSEC or FIDE or Federation International des ESSEC. A graduate of Far Eastern University, she was named co-recipient of the UAAP Season 77 Athlete of the Year Award. She also won 2 bronze medals in the 2021 Southeast Asian Games in Vietnam in the women's rapid and women's individual blitz events. She is a pride of Legazpi, mga kababayan, at kaibigan ng aking anak na si Jilon. Lagi yan pumupunta doon sa gym namin. Yung grand launching nga po ang aming gym, siya yung isa sa aming bisita. Guest of honor namin siya. So anyway, yan po yung ating short video ngayon dito sa Life with Auntie N. Brought to you by I Am Worldwide Pure Organic, Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powdered Drink Mix from Australia. Yung gustong mag-try nito, mga kababayan, mag-order, mag-message na lang po kayo sa amin. Yung gustong mag-business, mga kababayan, magpa-orient sa aking anak po, message kayo sa aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. So lagi nating tatandaan, sa buhay, you become what you believe. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless.